we have the side bend and some of the faults that we might see. So the side bend starts off very simple. So we're standing with our legs nice and stable. Legs are strong, standing tall with the shoulders pulled back and our head is in line with our spine. And all we're doing is reaching down with one arm or one hand towards our knee. So we're keeping our legs nice and strong as we do that. So we get a big stretch to the side, going to each side. And that's our body weight side bend to get things started. So to make it a little more challenging, we could add a stretch by lifting up one arm towards our ears or behind the head. So this will add a bit more stretch on this side. And we always want to balance it out with the other side. So reaching down and reaching down with the other side. All along, we're trying to keep our lower back or lower body as straight and consistent as possible. So a common fault that we see for the side bends, as we see here, is letting our hips move around from side to side too much. Right, so we actually want to see the lower body nice and firm without the movements that we just saw. So if we keep our lower body firm, then we're focusing on the core, the sides to stretch. But if you see that we let our hips go out and we are loose with our legs, we are getting some stretch, but we might get a lot more stretch or take away some of the stretch from the upper body to feel it in the hips and the side of the legs. So if that's the purpose, that's a different exercise. But for beginners, we definitely want to start off by keeping the lower body nice and strong and mainly focusing on moving our upper body, the rib cage and the shoulders from side to side.